Hey, it's Tei! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my little family. So, for video for today, gagawa ako ng back to school makeup tutorial. And guys, hindi naman talaga ako nagme-makeup sa school kasi high school pa lang ako and I don't really like putting on some makeup for an everyday basis because I don't really feel like putting on some makeup kasi hassle. Madami akong kailangang ibang gawin and hindi kasama doon ang pagme-makeup. So, if you are a college student, a senior high student, or even a high school student na gusto mag-makeup for an everyday basis, then this video is for you. And kung gusto mo lang namang manood ng makeup videos pero hindi mo ginagawa like me, then you can also keep watching this video. And guys, by the way, I'm just wearing a shirt. I don't know why, bakit ang tamad-tamad ko magpalit ng damit. So, I just wear this shirt. And this is the UP shirt, University of the Philippines shirt. UP is my dream school. So, I really love this shirt. And this is one of my go-to shirts for everyday. Not really everyday, but kung gusto ko siyang suotin, ito yung sinusuot ko. And it's back to school. So, this is a fun fact, guys, na gusto kong na dream school ko ang UP. So, yeah. So, if you like to see how I made this look, then keep watching the video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So, guys, I'm gonna start my makeup tutorial with a lip balm. Because you don't want your lips chapped all day sa school. Guys, tingnan nyo, sira na yung lip balm ko. Sira na siya, pero ginagamit ko pa rin siya kasi sayang. Nilagay ko siya sa ref para maayos siya. Pero hindi siya naayos ng ganun kaayos, so. And guys, I forgot to tell you, but before I film this video, I already moisturized my face and I already put some sunblock kasi yun yung pinaka wag niyong kakalimutan pag pupunta kayo kung saan. I mean, kahit nasa loob kayo ng classroom, you need to put on some sunblock. So, and to set my face, I'm using this Nichido powder. And I'm just using a sponge to set my face. As in, niseset ko lang talaga siya. Pat lang. So, the next product I'm using is this Better Than Basic Careline Best Brow Liner. And guys, lagi kong gamit yung ever bilan akong eyebrow kit. So, ito naman yung gagamitin ko ngayon. And this is my favorite as of the moment. So, this is what I'm gonna use. First, gagamitin ko muna yung spoolie na kasama niya. And, brow brush ko lang yung brows ko. And guys, if you're going to school, brow pencil is very convenient kasi sobrang handy lang niya and sobrang daling gamitin. Unlike if you're gonna put on some powder, sobrang kasi like yung Everbilena na eyebrow kit ko, sobrang laki nun para sa bag. So, kung hindi ko yun gagamitin and kung dadalhin ko yung mga products sa school or kung saan man, I'm using a brow pencil. So guys, next, if you're a bit extra like me and ayaw na talaga ng korte ng mukha nyo like me because I'm siopaw. Like, basically, sobrang siopaw ng mukha ko and ayaw ko lang. So, I'm using this. This is the Everbilena Blush Contour Duo. And guys, this product is so great. But, I have a problem kasi hindi ko alam kung binebenta pa ba nila to. But this is a great product. So, gagamitin ko lang siya. I-contour ko yung eyes ko. Kasi ayaw ko ng shape niya. Pero konting-konti lang, guys. And I'm using this brown shade. Tap the excess. And contour your eyes. That's it, guys, for our eye contour. And next, we're going to the eyelashes. So, guys, I discovered this myself na kahit hindi ka talaga mag-makeup, kahit wala kang gawin sa face mo, basta mag-curl ka ng eyelashes and maglagay ka ng mascara, you're on the go. So guys, for my mascara, I'm using my all-time favorite, the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. And guys, ito lang talaga yung nagustuhan kong mascara of all. Kasi sobrang pababa ng lashes ko. And mahaba naman siya pero pababa siya. So this makes difference. And guys, we're done with our eyes. And guys, tingnan nyo. The mascara really makes a difference in our makeup look. So, don't forget your mascaras. So, after using this as a contour, and now we're using it as a blush. And I really love this blush kasi sobrang muted lang ng color. Hindi siya mapapatingin talaga sa'yo yung prof mo and tatawagin ka kasi kapal-kapal ng blush mo or sobrang tingkad ng blush mo. So, yeah. Just using this and pat-pat-pat lang dito. So, guys, we're almost finished with our 5-minute makeup. And hindi to 5-minute sa video. Pero kung hindi ako magsasalita and gagawin ko lang siya, it's less than 5 minutes nga. So, for our lips, kailangan nude lang. And when I said nude, I mean pinkish nude. Kasi guys, if you're gonna go with brownish nude, hindi magmumukhang fresh. And we're opting for a fresh makeup look for our back to school. So, I'm using this Fashion 21 bullet lipstick in the shade Bronze. I'm just putting this on my lips. Actually, guys, the lip balm that I use is nice if you don't like using lipsticks. Dahil mag-focus sa akin. If you don't like using lipsticks kasi may tint naman siya. And this is the Nivea Watermelon Shine Lip Balm. So, yeah. And now we finish our makeup look. This is just a fresh back to school makeup look. Kasi never pa akong gumawa na natural makeup look dito sa channel ko. So now, I did one. So guys, basically that's it for our makeup look for today. This might be my last makeup tutorial in this channel. I don't really know because I have a lot of video ideas and makeup looks are not one of them because I don't have any ideas how to make beauty related videos. But kung gusto nyo guys na makakita ng beauty related videos in my channel, just click it, just comment it down below. So yeah, that's my take on the back to school makeup tutorial. And guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below anything, your thoughts, what's on your mind. If you want to talk with me, just comment it down below and I will gladly reply to your comments. And please comment down below kung meron kayong mga video suggestions kasi I really like to make videos that will make you happy, guys. And yeah. And please subscribe to my channel. It's right here. And once you subscribe, please click the notification bell so you'll be notified once I'll upload the video. And once again, it's Tei, and I will give you happiness from south to north. Bye-bye. Love you. Love lots. Listen, listen,